Hi, I'm Joe Guerrera, and I know oysters. When opening oysters, make sure you use an oyster knife. Do not use a kitchen knife. You're going to get hurt if you do. When you grab the oyster, the point of the oyster should be pointing up. Then you stick the knife in, pop it open. I keep it level this way I don't lose the oyster juice, and you work it around just like this, and there you have your beautiful oyster on the half shell. Whatever you do, never rinse an oyster once it's opened. Always eat it with its natural brine. You want to taste its salinity. And if you don't want to open the oysters yourself, Citarella will do the work for you. Give you the shells on the side, oysters in a container. When you get home, you can take the oysters, place them in the empty shells, and then you could serve them. Very simple. And remember, you can order oysters online at Citarella.com.